Hi students, welcome to my class. Dear students, in the previous classes we are discussing that lines and angles chapters. So today we are going to discuss the new lessons, that is triangles and its properties. So this chapter is a very important chapter. This chapter will included the triangle, types of triangles, and then altitude of a triangles, and then medians of a triangles, and then types of triangles and their properties, and special properties are there. So in this chapter these concepts we are discuss it. So today first we have to learn introductions of triangles. We already it will come in the 6th standard, 5th standard. We already learned the triangle and types of triangles, already learned it. So this classes also, or this year also, we have to recall once again. After that we have to discuss some more concepts, new concepts. See, we know that what do you mean over triangle? Triangle, it having a 3 sides. It is one of the closed figure. It is one of the closed figure. It is bounded by 3 line segments, okay, and 3 vertices and 3 angles. So ABC is one of the triangles, and AB, BC and AC. AB, BC and AC are the sides of the triangles. There are how many sides? 3 sides are there, and angle A, angle B and angle C. Angle A, angle B and angle C are the angles. How many angles are there in a triangle? This is also 3 angles, and A, B and C, these are the vertices of triangles. So how many vertices are in the triangles? There are 3 vertices in this triangles. Okay students, so triangles, it is a closed linear figure. It bounded by 3 sides or 3 line segments, and it having a 3 angles and 3 vertices. So this is the triangle, and then the sum of the 3 angles are equal to 180 degree. Okay, so this concept we have to learn in the learning in the next classes. Okay, see, these are the proper properties of these triangles. Okay, basic properties of the triangles. So next one, see, types of triangles. What do you mean about what are the types of the triangles or kinds of the triangles? Means it based on, see, the triangles having 2 types are there. So one is it based on base or sides and angles. A triangle, it divided into 2 parts. So it divided the triangles according to sides and according to the angles. So according to the sides, it having 3 types. According to the angles, it is also 3 types. Totally how many types are in the triangles? There are 6 types of the triangles. So 3 types are based on the sides and 3 types is based on the angles. So next one, so what are the types of the triangle based on the sides? The number 1, equilateral triangle. What do you mean about equilateral triangle? Equilateral triangle. The second one, isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. The third one, scalene triangle. Scalene triangle. In that, according to the angles, based on angles, it is also having also 3 types. The number 1, acute angle triangle. Acute angle triangle. Next one, right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. The third one, obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle. So there are totally 6 types are there. 6 types of the triangles are there. It based on sides, it having a 3 types. It based on angles, it having a 3 types. So total 6 types are the triangles. So let us discuss one by one. So first one, equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. What do you mean about equilateral triangle? We already know it. So the word it will say equal, lateral means side. equal sides zero triangles are equilateral triangles. For example, see, this is one of the triangle, that is A, B and C. In this triangle, there are three sides are there, AB, BC and CA. All three sides are equal. When all three sides are equal, so it is called as equilateral triangle. For example, the sides of each angle is equal to 5 cm. So all sides are equal to the 5 cm. Therefore, it is one of the equilateral triangles. So very simple. On the triangle, all sides equal agiruthe. Bari 5 cm antalla yade agiruthe. For example, BC 10 cm, AC and AB nu kuda 10 cm iruthe. So when all sides are equal, then it is called as equilateral triangle. Okay. So next one, isosceles triangle. What do you mean by isosceles triangle? Isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. What do you mean by isosceles triangle? Very simple, students. See, iso means two. Isosceles triangle means a triangle having two sides are equal. See, A, B, C are one of the triangle. Here, AB and AC. AB is equal to AC. Any two sides. These two sides or these two sides or these two sides. Any two sides. If any two sides are equal in any triangle, then the triangles are called as isosceles triangle. Okay. The next, third one, scalene triangle. What do you mean by scalene triangle? Scalene triangle means, see students, in an equilateral triangle, all sides are equal. AB is equal to BC is equal to AC, CA. Then isosceles triangle, any two sides of the triangles are equal, then it is called as isosceles triangles. In a scalene triangles, all sides are unequal. All sides are unequal. Then it is called as scalene triangle. Okay, this and this one and this one. All sides are unequal. For example, this one 5 cm, this is 6 cm, this is 10 cm. Okay, so this is the isosceles triangle. But in isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. For example, AB is equal to 5 cm, then AC is equal to 5 cm. ಅಥವಾ AB 5 cm ಇದ್ರೆ BC ನು ಕೂಡ 5 cm ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು unequal ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so any two sides or this one BC is equal to 5 cm and AC is equal to 5 cm. Any two sides are equal, then it is called as isosceles triangle. In a scalene triangle, all sides are unequal. Therefore, it is a isosceles scalene triangle. Next one, students, it according to it based on angles. They are divided into three types. So one is acute angle triangle. What do you mean by acute angle triangle? Acute triangle. What is acute triangle? Acute angle triangle. Very simple. In any triangle, all angles measures acute angle. All measures are acute angle. For example, 60 degree or 50 degree, even 70 degree. Okay. So this is called as what? Acute angle triangle. Acute angle triangle means a triangle having all angles measures a below 90 degree. All angles measures a below 90 degree. Then it is called as acute angle triangle. So next one, students, right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. What do you mean by right angle triangle? Very simple. See students, in a triangle, in any triangle, in one angle should be a 90 degree. See, one of the triangle ABC is one of the triangle. In the triangle, how many angles are there? Three angles. Among these three angles, one angle should be a 90 degree. That is called as right angle triangle. See, here angle B is equal to 90 degree. So next, suppose C, this is A, this is B. Angle C is equal to 90 degree. This is also a right angle triangle. Very simple. Right angle triangle is a triangle in which any one of the angles should be a 90 degree. That is called as right angle triangle. The last one, obtuse angle triangle. So obtuse angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle means, see students, in one of the triangle, it measures one angle should be a more than 90 degree or less than 180 degree, or in any one of the triangle, any one of the angles should be an obtuse angle. Here PQR, one of the triangle, here Q is equal to 120 degree. This 120 degree is greater than 90 degree, or 120 degree is an obtuse angle. Therefore, it is an obtuse angle triangle. In any triangle, one angle should be a 90 degree. That is called as right angle triangle. In one angle should be a obtuse angle, that is called as obtuse angle triangle. All angles measures a below 90 degree, that is called as acute angle triangle. So these are the types of the triangles. Okay. Next students, next concept, that is median of a triangle. So what do you mean about medians of a triangle? This is a new concept for you. See, I will show now median. What is mean about median? Median of a triangle. See, A, B, C is one of the triangle. In this triangle, see, the vertices A and vertices B and vertices C. There are three vertices are there. So from the any one of the vertices, I will draw the line from the vertices A to the opposite sides of A. Opposite vertices of A. What is the opposite sides of vertices A is BC. Okay. ನಾನು A point ಇಂದ ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ to the opposite of A, that is BC. So opposite side ಗೆ ಒಂದು vertex line ಅನ್ನು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ but opposite sides is divided into two parts or bisect each other. Okay. So this is called as median. This is called as median. What is that? AD. AD is called as median. ಅಥವಾ B point ಇಂದ ನಾನು ಏನಾದರೂ vertices ಆ vertices ಇಂದ opposite sides ಗೆ ನಾನು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ, ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಬಿ ಗೆ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ವರ್ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಯಾವುದು? AC. B ಇಂದ ನಾನು ಏನಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ AC ಬೈಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. therefore this is E. AE is a again medians of a triangle. See, AD is bisect the BC, BE is bisect the AC, and CF is bisects the AB. Therefore AD, BE and CF are the medians of a triangle. So one question, see how many medians can draw in a triangle? How many medians can draw in a triangle? Means there are three medians in a triangle. Keep in your mind, there are three medians in a triangle. So one more example. So another statement I will give now. See, this is and P, Q, R. See, okay, P, Q and R. Here the QR, this is the midpoint. This is the A. A is the midpoint of QR, and this is B. B is the midpoint of PR and PQ. This is the C. C is the midpoint of PQ. Okay, all the midpoints. Okay, we have to join the opposite vertices of the midpoint. See, the midpoint of A. What is the midpoint of A? QR. The midpoint is A. The A is the midpoint of QR. Our midpoint and other opposite vertices in a join ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, that is also called as median. And B is the midpoint of PR. We have to join the opposite vertices. Opposite vertices is Q. Therefore BQ is also a median, AP is a median, and R and C is the midpoint of PQ. We have to join that. So CR is also a median. Okay, C is the midpoint of PQ. We have to join the midpoint of the opposite vertices of the midpoint. Then the line segment is called as median of a triangle. See students, so all the medians, all these medians are intersect one point. Is it right? All the medians are intersect the one point. That point is called as centroid. ಎಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ centroid ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಯಾವ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ? The medians are intersect a single point, that is called as, I will give P here. This is M. So this intersection point is P. This point is called as centroid. What do you mean over centroid? Centroid means all the three medians are intersect or meet at a single point. That point is called as centroid. Okay. Yes. So this is the median. Can you understand the median of the triangles? Yes. The last one is altitude of a triangle. What do you mean about altitude? Altitude of a triangle. What do you mean about altitudes of triangles? Altitude is nothing but height. Altitude is nothing but height. So how many altitudes in the triangles? This is also a 3 altitudes are there. I will draw the one of the diagram. See, this is A, B and C. So this altitude means this line, this altitude, this is B. This altitude is always perpendicular to the base of the triangle. This AD is perpendicular to BC. So this is the AD is the height of the triangle and another one height, so altitude. So this is the altitude of the triangle. Another altitude from the vertex is B. So this is also a altitude of the triangle. This is E. So BE is also perpendicular to AC. So first one AD is perpendicular to BC and BE is perpendicular to AC. Okay. So then last one. So this is also a altitude. So that is called as CF. CF is also perpendicular to AB. So there are 3 altitudes are there. So all 3 altitudes, all these 3 altitudes, okay. So ABE and AD and CF, all the altitudes are perpendicular to the base of the triangles. Always is perpendicular to the base of the triangles. So I will take one more example. So this is the acute angle triangle. In a obtuse angle, right angle triangle. In a right angle triangle, C, A, B and C. So vertices, from the vertices you should draw the perpendicular altitude to the opposite sides of the triangle. From the vertex A, see this is an altitude to the B. So this AB is perpendicular to BC. AB is perpendicular to BC, therefore AB is an altitude and BC is perpendicular to AB. BC is perpendicular to AB. Therefore, BC is also a. This is also a height. E angle in the nodi. E angle in the nodi. Aವಾಗ BC height ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. AB altitude ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay. E angle in the ನೋಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ ನೀವು E angle in the ನೋಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ BC base ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. AB height ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay. Then B vertices ಇಂದ ನಾನು opposite side ಗೆ ಒಂದು perpendicular line draw ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. That is BD is perpendicular to AC. BD is perpendicular to AC. Therefore, BD is also a altitude of the triangle. Altitude of the triangle. Are you understood? So, next I will take obtuse angle triangle. In obtuse angle triangle, how can you find the altitude of the triangle in a obtuse angle triangle? C, A, B, and C. So, from the vertices B, you have to draw the altitude of the triangle. So that is BD is perpendicular to AC. One altitude we got it. So another altitude from the vertices A ಇಂದ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಒಂದು altitude ಅನ್ನು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು perpendicular ಆಗಿ ಲೈನ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Always perpendicular to the base. So you have to extend here. Okay. So this line is always perpendicular to BC. Is it right? That is called E. So therefore AD is perpendicular. Sorry, BD is perpendicular to AC. Therefore, BD is one of the altitude, and from the vertices A ಇಂದ ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, AE is perpendicular to EC or BC. Therefore, AE is one of the altitude, and then BC we should extend that. BC is perpendicular to AE. BC is also perpendicular to AE. Therefore, BC is one of the altitude. Therefore, there are 3 medians in the triangles and there are 3 altitudes are the triangles. Okay, students. So these are the introduction to triangles or kinds of triangles and medians of the triangles and the altitudes of the triangles. So these concepts is a very important concepts. You have to learn properly. You have to watch this video. You have to understand this properly. These concepts. Okay. In the next classes, we have to discuss the properties of the triangles. Okay students, thank you.